I'm going to show you in a few seconds how to make someone or your target audience or your customer addicted to your business or addicted to your account on Instagram and on social media in general. Now, they normally tell us that addiction is a bad thing. When you hear the word addiction, all shades of negative things comes to your mind. Addiction to drugs, addiction to cocaine, or one thing or the other. In this video, I'm going to show you simple tricks, simple steps to make someone, a potential customer, addicted to your business, your target audience, addicted to your Instagram account, or anybody you want to attract at all, addicted to your personality as a brand, or addicted to yourself as an influencer, anything at all that you want to do it, you want to actually achieve. Now, I'll give you an instance. Now, look at social media accounts, social media platforms like Instagram, like Twitter, like Facebook, like Snapchat. They have actually successfully made their users addicted to this platform. You and I, consciously or subconsciously, are actually addicted to Instagram. We always want to create content on Instagram. People who use Twitter always want to tweet, always want to follow the latest thread on Twitter to say one thing or the other, to let their voice be heard. On YouTube, people always want to make videos. How can you use this? The way these platform owners have actually made us to addicted to their platform, how can you also make people who are addicted to this platform addicted to your own page in such a way that whenever they are online, they will first of all, what are you posting? What is this particular account posting? And your business will be here. Now, I will give you simple tricks, simple psychological tricks on how to make a customer, a potential customer, your target audience, addicted to your business. Now, the trick number one is what I call openness. You need to be open. Whenever you are sharing content online, be open. Openness means like letting someone know how you feel, making yourself known as a human. Now, most people haven't met you before. They have only been seeing your content, or probably been seeing your images, what you're posting on Instagram, or probably what you're tweeting on Twitter, or whatever you're posting on Facebook, or be it on YouTube. So they don't know you on a personal basis. So they want to know if you are actually human like them, if you actually go through this pain point. Probably sometimes you're worn out, or sometimes you're frustrated, or sometimes you are confused, or sometimes you're having a hard time on your job. Just be open to this target audience, and this openness make them feel as if, yes, he's human, she's human. I can actually buy from her. She understands me. She understands how I feel. Now, another thing to make them addicted to you as a person is similarity. For example, if you love to watch football and you meet me on the road, and I love to watch football as well, and coincidentally, I support Chelsea as a football club, and you as well is a Chelsea fan. You see, that similarity alone could get us talking for like 30 minutes, start discussing about the next match that Chelsea have, or probably our next opponent in that particular match. So similarity can as well help you to be addicted, to help your customer addicted to them. So know what your customer's interest, apart from actually what you're selling. Now, you might be actually be selling hair, human hair, or probably be selling any cosmetic product online, but there are other shades, things around life that if you are interested in reading books, you could have 1,000 followers out there that's also interested in reading books. So if you share this hobby of yours, whosoever that share that same hobby of yours will be actually be attracted to you, and before you know it, they are addicted to your business page or to your account as a person. Now, the third thing that you can as well do to make sure that people are addicted to your account as a person is reciprocity. Reciprocity simply means that you are reciprocating. You are giving. You want them to actually reciprocate what you've done to them. Now, for you to actually use reciprocity very well is you reaching out to these people first, you liking their own content first, you actually commenting on their own content first, you actually try to engage with them, interact with them, initiate conversation. Just like you're sitting in a room with somebody that never talks to you first. You talk to the person today first, you talk to the person tomorrow first, you talk to the person next tomorrow first. On the fourth day, you'll be tired of talking to that person. Exactly. But if that person will actually initiate a conversation with you today, tomorrow you feel as if I hope this person wants to actually say, hi, hello, how you doing today? To initiate that conversation. So if you want people to interact with you, engage with your business, addicted to your business account on Instagram, learn the art of reciprocating kindness. Now, one other thing about reciprocity is that you make people subconsciously feel as if they owe you one. Exactly. And subconsciously, they really want to pay you. I'll give you an instance. If you're celebrating a birthday today and I buy you a gift, and tomorrow I'll just walk. I don't want to say hello. Take this one. I'll buy you another gift. If I tell you that I'll be celebrating my birthday next year, without me telling you, you feel as if you owe me a gift because I've actually bought you about 2 or 3 gifts previously. Another one is in workplaces. If I help you in your work, if I help you to carry out an assignment or something in workplaces, help you to carry out a particular task, whenever I'm not around and I want you to cover up for me, I can actually reach out to you and say, hey, Tunde, remember, I don't need to tell you, remember, hey, Tunde, can you please help me to do that? Tunde will subconsciously want to actually render that help or render that favor because I have done something similar to him before. So reciprocate. Try to do something first and let them feel as if they owe you one. One way you can do that, apply reciprocity effectively on social media, is giving these potential customers value first. Giving them value first. Let's say you are in the knowledge business or knowledge niche. The first thing you want to give them is teach them for free first. Let them give them something out there first. Help them. Even if you are in the service niche, probably you design stuff, so probably you help people manage their social media account, or probably you render one service or the other. Help them do something first without them actually really asking for it. And this way, they get to love you as a person. They get to say, he's a nice person. I just love this brand. They are nice people. Even with them charging you, they can help you do one thing or the other. And before you know it, even if they are not buying from you, they'll be referring potential buyers to you. So if you enjoy this video, I want to ask you, please make sure you like this video, leave your comments. If you have any other thing to ask, I'll definitely make sure that I go through all the comments and provide answers to them to the best of my ability. Bye bye. Thank you.